What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at a native brook trout stream, which means these fish are wild. They grew up here, they were never stocked here. These fish live in this creek. So yeah, I'm going to be targeting these. It's the only thing that's in here is brook trout. They say there's wild browns too, but I've never caught one. I actually caught a rainbow one time that looked wild, but I've never caught another one since then. But yeah, I'm down low where I park. I've never caught a fish from right here up a good bit, so I don't know if they're gonna be spread out more. I've only fished this in the summer. This is my first time ever, and even the fall or the spring. But yeah, I'm gonna start right here. There's a nice hole. Maybe they spread out more during the winter because, I don't know, they might. So I'm gonna just try, see if I can pull anything out. And yeah, I'm gonna just head upstream and see what I can get. All right, here's the first little hole. Like I was saying, I've never caught a fish this low on the creek, but about a quarter mile, maybe a half mile even upstream, I start catching them. But I'm thinking maybe during the winter they spread out, who knows? Maybe spread out for the food. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna start right here. We've got a nice hole. There's a log jam and it's coming through pretty deep. It's like 2 or 3 feet deep, which is really deep for this creek. It's ultra clear, it usually is. So I've got, this is what my setup is. I just got this reel for brook trout. It's just a Lew's laser Lite. I bought it. I chose this one because it's my only Lew's reel. I chose this because it's super light. It's less than 5 ounces. I was looking for a cheaper reel, and this one was the lightest one with the best reviews, so I picked up this one. And then I've got 4-pound fluorocarbon on there, and I'm starting out with the little trout magnet. It's like a frosty pink type thing. Kind of looks like pink lemonade. And yeah, we're gonna drop this in here and see what we can do. And I've just got a little short 5.5 foot rod. It's not an ultralight. It's probably it's either a light or like a medium light. It doesn't actually say on it. All right, I've taken like 5 casts today and almost had to retie every time. There's a nice like log jam, and I saw a trout right here and it spooked. So okay, it's hard to fish from up here. Now I can't see anything, but it's easier to fish. Got one, guys. That was, when my line doesn't tangle, I get one right away. Look at that. I just got him and then, oh look, the hook popped out. Get the hook out of the net so it doesn't tangle. Look at that. Little brookie. Look at that fish. Do you see the colors on that? Crazy colors. Super pretty fish. All right, I've got him sitting right here. We're gonna get a release on him. Show him up close again. Right there, super pretty fish. Don't want to keep him in here too long. There he goes. That was super fast, guys. I've never caught a brook trout this low down in the creek. This is a good sign. I should get a bunch today. He ate it like on the sink because I hadn't even I just reeled up on it. That shows they want this bait. Alright, I just finished up fishing. I'm gonna head to a different place. I'm gonna go to a new creek to me that I've been wanting to fish for a little bit now. I found it like a month or two ago, and it's supposed to have wild brown trout. There's supposed to be a good bit in there, so I'm gonna go see what I can get in there. It's on the way home for me, so might as well go try it. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I get there. Alright, I'm at the Brown Trout Creek. They say from the bridge I'm at down to another creek it dumps into is the best. So I'm gonna cross right here, and then I'm gonna just walk along the shore all the way down. But I'll take a few casts right here and see if anything's here. But yeah, I'll switch over to the GoPro, show you what I'm using, and hopefully we can get some fish. Alright, here's the creek. I've got the same rod and everything, 4-pound line. Now I've got a snap swivel, and this it's a blue fox of some sort. I got it at a garage sale. And yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get some fish. This is a nice hole right here. I'm guessing a lot of people fish along the place I'm at though, because I'm like in a park. Got nice cover, nice current. It's a little, I can tell it's a little high. It's just because it's probably ultra clear a lot of the times, and it's a little stained, and I can just tell it's a little high. Yeah, we're gonna need to put on the old trustworthy Panther Martin. Okay, I'm trying this Panther. I wish this was the... Wait, you guys can't see it at all. Trying this size 4 Panther Martin. Yellow with red spot body, and then the blade is yellow with red like splatters on it. This one with this body and the silver blade is really good. I have some size 6s, but those are too big for this creek. Okay, I just walked through complete AIDS. There's like a marsh. I could barely freaking walk. We're gonna find out if this is the creek and if it has some fish real soon. There we go. Size 4 Panther Martin. Gold blade, black body with yellow spots. Pretty solid. Let's see if I can get down right here without falling. Okay guys, I'm on the right. I know I'm on the right creek, so that's good. Which means there should be trout in this hole. Oh, there's a waterfall in front of me. And there might be a bunch of fish over there. Got a fish, guys. Got it. Yes, I was pulling my line out. Yes. I just started fishing too. That is a wild brown trout. He's all tangled with the lure. All right, guys, we're gonna get a release on him. Here he is. Look at those colors. He went down, but he went up. He's all good, guys. All right. That's one out of this hole right here. All right. One brown. I just started fishing. The creek started right down there. And I skipped like that, the whole stretch behind me. Just about. So, see if we can get one. There might be a ton of fish above me. It's a beaver dam. Usually that makes the water warm in the summer and kills the fish. So, I don't know. We'll see if I can get some up here. There should definitely be some in this hole. Oh, nice trout. Dang it. My drag was way too loose. Came out of nowhere and smacked it. I think I just had oh, I just missed another. I swear I had one swing at it. I'm gonna go a little slower. That one was way smaller. The one before that was like a 12-inch trout. Dang it. This beaver could have ruined this creek. This water probably all gets warm in the summer right here. And then it's just not good for the trout. One more cast and I'll try the other. Try and get over to that other part. Okay. Looks like the creek stays pretty wide. I almost just fell into like a 5-foot deep hole. Whoo! Let's go back to shore. Oh my gosh. I'm lucky. Holy crap. That would have been cold. Surprised I didn't break the reel or the rod. Fell right on it. That was AIDS. The bark slipped out from under my feet. The bark turned into not bark. Whew. Hopefully I can walk on the left edge right here. That's not, we don't want to do this. Yeah, that wasn't fun. Holy crap. This creek is just trying to kill me. It's all because of this beaver. Ruins the whole creek, floods everything. There's one. That's a better fish. This is like the one I lost. Got it. I definitely had a fish that when I was saying I had a bite. It's probably this one. This creek is pretty good. Pretty good. All right, guys. Here's that fish. I didn't give it an up close. Super pretty fish. I'm guessing this one's a female. I don't know why. I feel like it is. But let's get a release. There she is. She goes. All right, so we're 2 of 4 in this creek. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. All on the Panther Martins. Okay, that's gonna go right under these little branches in a deep spot. Got one, guys. Oh, it's a monster. It's a monster, guys. It's a monster. It's a monster brown, guys. It is a monster. Holy crap. Holy crap. That is a tank. No. That's a tank. Come here. Oh, yes! Oh, oh, woo! Holy crap, guys. This is a monster. Oh, that's a wild brown too. That is a tank. Guys, do you want to see the definition of choked? Holy crap. I thought he was gonna get off. That's why he didn't. He smacked it. Try and get the hooks out without damaging anything. Guys, the hook popped out so easy. Perfect. Get him back in the water right here. You got lucky. Good thing. Okay, guys. Look how lively he is. Luckily, I got the hooks out. I'm going to show them to the camera real quick. Flip them over. That is a gorgeous fish. 16 inches. I just measured it. Look at that blue. Oh my gosh. Beautiful fish. Okay, guys, he's ready to go. I'm going to take him out of the net. There he is. And there he goes. Oh, it went under here. I don't know if you guys can see him. That was a beast of a brown. Wild brown trout. We do not see many that size in New York State. Wild brown trout. At least to where I'm around, it's hard to catch them that big. And he didn't get injured by the hooks at all. It was hooked around like the bony part by his gills, but the hook popped right out. He wasn't bleeding. No hook damage at all. So he's good and he's back in the creek. That's my biggest brown ever. My biggest wild brown ever on a artificial lure in New York. Wild brown. I've caught much bigger browns that come out of Lake Ontario, but I don't think those are wild. I think they're stocked. I love fishing creeks. Creeks this size, a little bit bigger, even smaller. Creeks in general, they're the best. All right, I just got back to the car. I had a pretty good day of fishing. It's been pretty tough lately, but yeah, I'm happy. Kind of happy the brook trout fishing wasn't too good. I got one and then I left. So then I tried a new creek, and the new creek I nailed 3 browns and lost 2, and I caught a beast of a wild brown for New York. That's truly a beast for New York. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more creek fishing videos, pond fishing, lake fishing, I do everything, but my main thing is creek fishing. So if you love creek fishing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, if you have any questions about anything creek fishing, anything, go ahead and comment down below and I'll be sure to answer you. Thanks for watching.